Divisibility rules. Divisibility by 2. If a number is even or a number whose last digit is an even number, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 including 0, it is always completely divisible by 2. Example: 508 is an even number and is divisible by 2, but 509 is not an even number, hence it is not divisible by 2. Procedure to check whether 508 is divisible by 2 or not is as follows. Consider the number 508. Just take the last digit 8 and divide it by 2. If the last digit 8 is divisible by 2, then the number 508 is also divisible by 2. Divisibility rules for 3. Divisibility rule for 3 states that a number is completely divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Consider a number 308. To check whether 308 is divisible by 3 or not, take sum of the digits. That is 3 plus 0 plus 8 is equal to 11. Now check whether the sum is divisible by 3 or not. If the sum is a multiple of 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. Here, since 11 is not divisible by 3, 308 is also not divisible by 3. Similarly, 516 is divisible by 3 completely, as the sum of its digits, that is 5 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 12, is a multiple of 3. Divisibility by 4. If the last two digits of a number are divisible by 4, then that the number is a multiple of 4 and is divisible by 4 completely. Example: take the number 2308. Consider the last two digits, that is 08. As 08 is divisible by 4, the original number 2308 is also divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. Numbers which last with the digits 0 or 5 are always divisible by 5. Example: 10, 10,000, 1 crore 5, 595, etc. Divisibility by 6. Numbers which are divisible by both 2 and 3 are divisible by 6. That is, if the last digit of the given number is even and the sum of its digits is a multiple of 3, then the given number is also a multiple of 6. Example: 630, the number is divisible by 2. As the last digit is 0, the sum of digits is 6 plus 3 plus 0 is equal to 9, which is also divisible by 3. Hence 630 is divisible by 6. Divisibility by 9. The rule for divisibility by 9 is similar to the divisibility rule for 3. That is, if the sum of digits of the number is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. Example: consider 78,532 as the sum of its digits 7 plus 8 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 is 25, which is not divisible by 9. Hence 78,532 is not divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. Divisibility rule for 10 states that any number whose last digit is 0 is divisible by 10. Example: 10, 20, 30, 1000, 5000, 60,000, etc.